Hello lovely people, welcome you all back to Home Sweet Food channel. Today is another recipe that I'm going to share with you. I'm sharing with you how I fry my butterfish. This type of fish, I know we have some in Ghana, so I posted a video asking the name of this fish that we call in Ghana. I'm still looking for my response. So I have cleaned this fish and then cut that side open to take everything that is not good out, and then these are a few spices that I'm using. I have seasoned salt, I have onion, I have garlic, and then I have ginger powder. So just rubbing the spices on, and then I'll let it sit for 10 minutes before we fry. Then I added a little bit of water, don't add much, just a little bit of water to get everything dissolving. You can enjoy this fish with kenke, banku with hot pepper, you name it. It's called butterfish, but I've forgotten the name that we call in Ghana. I know in Ghana we have it here. So to infuse the oil, I have some onion, and then I have garlic, and then I have pepper. If you don't like how hot the pepper you're gonna add it to it, just don't add it. But it wasn't hot at all, just to add more flavor. And one home sweet food, yes, follow this channel for more cooking recipe, and I do post video every week. So if you're new here, welcome you all to Home Sweet Food channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave here, and love you all for the support.
Where did Diana said Riania Ubedin Swa home sweet food Adrianepa Manije Adrianepa our reso Adrianepa Mabumudin home sweet food Adrianepa Manije Adrianepa our reso Adrianepa Mabumudin home sweet food Yabachere sharing our recipes, home sweet food, Adrianepa, Eyedan Kasa, home sweet food, Adrianepa, Eyedan Kasa, home sweet food, Adrianepa, Eyedan Kasa, home sweet food, Adrianepa, Eyedan Kasa. Where did Diana said Ubedin Swa home sweet food Adrianepa Manije Adrianepa our reso Adrianepa Mabumudin home sweet food Adrianepa.
Wow, lovely people, thank you all for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you are going to enjoy with this fish, and if you fry this fish today, what are you going to enjoy with it? Yes, home sweet food. Adrianepa, Tankasa. Adrianepa so beda. Now why you will feel. Thank you all for watching. Love you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below.